Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily download and install Telegram application on your Windows 11 computer. To begin, click on the search bar and type Microsoft Store. Click on the Microsoft Store to open. Wait until the refresh is completed. As a next step, in the search bar type Telegram. Click on the Telegram application to open, or Telegram desktop. As a next step, click install and wait few seconds. Usually this process of download and install takes up to 40 seconds and it's an automated process. They will be both done and we'll need just to click open so that the application starts working. As you can see, download and install is completed. Click open and the little window will pop up with Telegram on it. Here we go. Start messaging. And here you can use your app from your phone to scan this QR code so that you're able to access all your contacts and messages, etc. You can always click on settings to change accordingly. Once done, you can always close the app and you can close Microsoft Store. And to open again Telegram on your computer, just type Telegram in the search bar and you'll be able to see the app. Click on it and it should open automatically. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.